Hi, this is filmmaker Rajiv Walia. You're watching Bisque. It's showtime. Please like and subscribe, and wishing everyone a happy Baisakhi and Ambedkar Jayanti. Love all.
Hi Biscaners, this is Deepa Aptani, your host for the segment Bolly Bite. And आज के हमारे series Quarantine में we have someone who's contributed more than 3 decades to the Bollywood industry as an assistant director and even a director. We're talking legendary names like Mukul S. Anand, Bharat Rangachari, S. Ramanathan, David Dhawan. Movies like Takatwar, Waqt Hamara Hai, Agnipath, Bombay to Goa. Lot of Amitabh Bachchan sir's movies, including some of them which is unreleased like Zamanat. I'm talking about banner names like Nadiadwala, Grandson Entertainment. I mean, it can't get any grander than this. So let's wait no more and welcome Rajiv Walia. How are you doing, sir?
Yeah, thank you, Deepa. Thank you for such a grand welcome, and I'm really humbled.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much for taking out time for our segment Quarantine में. आप बताइए आपका हाल कैसा है?
Quarantine, I think it's a different word. जो हम लोग ने अभी सब newly सुन रहे कोरोना and COVID-19 and quarantine, but it's beautiful in a way that see इसके प्लस भी है और माइनस भी है. प्लस ये है कि हम लोग बाहर नहीं जा सकते, काम नहीं कर सकते, इकोनॉमी शटर हो रही है, ये माइनस है. लेकिन इसके प्लस ये है कि यू आर गेटिंग टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ, फॉर योर फैमिली. I think हमारे बॉडी को भी, हमारा मेंटली, फिजिकली, we need to stop somewhere. Because we are continuously moving, we are just running around, and I am a guy who doesn't like to sit at home. तो मुझे लगता है कि I am trying to make best use of this time by spending time with my family, with my creativity, with my scripts. मुझे सोचने के लिए वक्त मिल गया, and मुझे लगता है quarantine is a beautiful time for nature, waves, then moon, for mountains, then oceans, animals, birds, because they also getting breathing space. तो इसके है प्लस माइनस दोनों.
Absolutely positive and productive way to see it, sir. आप ये बताइए, what is your message for the society? Given the time that we've got to ourselves now.
I would like to tell everybody कि make best use of this time, because ये समय भी निकल जाएगा. जो हो चुका है, जो हो रहा है, it's a risky position for everybody. Going out and mixing up with people, with anybody, it's dangerous for yourself and others also. To be at home, be safe, because जितना आप घर पे रहोगे उतनी आप सेफ रहोगे. और वो सलमान ने अच्छा है, कभी I just saw interview of Salman. He said कि जो डर गया वो मर गया. वो शोले का उसने डायलॉग यूज किया था, which was written by Salman's father. And he said कि जो डर गया वो मर गया. लेकिन यहाँ पे उल्टा है, जो डर गया वो बच गया. तो you have to be at home and don't go out. And because ये समय भी निकल जाएगा, when after 20 years, when we are talking to our children, grandchildren, we can tell them कि हम लोग ने ऐसा टाइम भी देखा होगा. समझे ना? तो take it in a positive way. Spend time in be in a good positive state. Don't get depressed with anybody. Just maintain social distancing, जो हम लोग को हमारे ऑनरेबल मोदी जी बोल रहे हैं, वो फॉलो करो. जो गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है, जो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट बोल रहे हैं, just maintain that and be in a positive state.
Talking about social message and ministry, you are the only director in the fraternity who's known to be working towards both of the things. I mean, your concept films like Betiya, Save the Girl Child, which has about 18 Bollywood stars. You've directed National Anthem, which had 60 Bollywood stars and which was showcased more than 2,500 screens in Maharashtra. We're talking about another movie on AIDS, which was shot in Thailand. I'm very, very humbled to actually even know that you had done a movie on the initiative by Honorable PM Modi ji, which is called Mission Indradhanush. We would like to know a lot more. What makes you work towards these social messages which are so important in the society?
Deepa, to be honest, I make commercial films for money and for my passion. See, when you talk about films, I'm into films for passion, because I'm very passionate about my work. Basically, I was an aeronautical engineer, and I topped in that also, but my passion was always getting into films, because I've seen my family, film directors and actors and all that. For me, film is creative part, not glamour part. There's a difference, being into film industry. For me, films is writing, direction, clothing, then art direction, music, lyrics. That is films for me. And I think what can be more creative than making a film? for anybody, for any creative person. What can be more creative than being a director, to be honest? Because a director covers all concept of, all department of creativity. Now coming to social films, I do social films not for money. I do social film for satisfaction. I think as a person, as a citizen of my country, every citizen has to do something for the society, for the country. So as a filmmaker, if somebody tells me to go on the mic and give a bhashan and all that, I cannot do all that. So that's not my job. I can do that only through my films. So that is how, I started working on social films. I did Betia. The videos crossed about 1,000 million, all over through different digital platforms. And you have mentioned already a lot of my social film names. Right now, I'm coming up with one more Betia, which is Betia Part 2, Betia Pride of Nation, which has only females in the video. And the concept is a woman can do anything and everything. It has Mary Kom, it has Saina Nehwal, it has Mithali Raj, Urvashi Rautela, Ravina Tandon. The song is sung by 5 top singers. It has Mumbai Police, CRPF. You name the department, and those girls, those ladies, those females are there in the video. And that's my way of, spreading social message into the society through my films. And I think that video will again carry a lot of weightage. It is one of the biggest video moments. That is how I see it. Now people will decide how big it is. And then I'm working on one more video. You must have seen Alag Mera Ye Rang Hai, which is a tribute to acid victims. I'm doing one more video with Shri Amrita Fadnavis, who is a singer, and it's on rape victims. Then I'm doing one more video which is on celeb morphing, that is called Viral. So I'm working on a lot of concepts apart from my commercial work. Deepa, believe me, making social videos, those are the most difficult one to do it. You know why I'm saying? See what I do when I did Betia. So Betia was concept-wise, it was a documentary. But what I did, I just shoot a documentary, nobody will see my film. Mm-hmm. That you also know. So I have to make it more interesting. So I converted the documentary script into a song, and I got stars, to spread the message, because stars, they have their own fan following, then their own charm, and so Betia is a documentary, it's a music video, it's a social concept, it's a social, it's all together packaged into a beautiful project. So you have to do something which will make viewers also enjoy the project, enjoy this thing, and at the same time they understand the message also, what I'm trying to say.
We are waiting for that time where things will get back to normal and we will enjoy life as is, and appreciate more things around us, and we will look forward to your upcoming projects and other releases.
My Betia is already complete, and as soon as quarantine is over, I'll release the Betia.
So talking about ye to raha, talking about society and community, let's talk about commercial movies that you've been always associated with. The fabulous Tera Intezar, starring Sunny Leone and Arbaz Khan, with top of the charts music, where you've used drone shots, shown the entire Mauritius. I mean, it was a treat to the eye. Please share your experience about that movie to us.
Tera Intezar was a very big experience, very brilliant experience for me. It was fun working with Arbaz Khan. Arbaz, I knew him for quite a long time, and he's a sweetheart. Arbaz is really, he's a director's actor, and then again, he's a very good friend, who I enjoyed working with him. Sunny Leone is thorough professional, and again, a nice person to work with. And so it was fun. And the script, Tera Intezar, it was a thriller. It was more of an international film. उस तरह का texture था, उस तरह का concept भी था. So it becomes sometimes little difficult for audience to digest also. But it was overall, it was a good experience. My music did very well. I think I've been very lucky I'm blessed with good music. I really work hard on music. So मेरा music कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा चल जाता है. And I love picturizing songs and creating music and all that. So it was a very good experience working on Tera Intezar.
Yes, definitely. We can see it on many of the digital platforms also. Guys, check out Tera Intezar. It's quarantine time. It's only fabulous to go ahead and, upsurge your creative minds. Have a look at the movie again. You've even worked with big music labels like T Series, Z Music. Rajiv sir, we know there's something coming up in September. What is that?
September, my next film is going to release, my second film. I've been, Deepa, I've been always fascinated by making beautiful love stories. So I always wanted to start a love story with a new star cast. So after Tera Intezar, I waited for 6 months. I kept doing my songs and all that. Then I said, let me do something which is today's love story. It's a very emotional film with good music. It's like, Ashiki 2. If you have seen Ashiki 2, music and relations and emotions, and the script is different, of course. Ashiki had a different script. This is the altogether different script. और उस तरह के emotions bounding है उसमें, बहुत beautiful script है. And let's see how it goes. But it has again, I'll say it has great music. I've really worked hard again on music, because I think any film without music, it will never work. It works, of course. Some scripts they don't have music, but me as a filmmaker, even if I have to do a puja, I would prefer Aarti. Running Aarti by Anuradha Podwal, that gives me pep. So let's wait and watch. This quarantine gets over, then the film will hit theaters. I was supposed to release this in May, but now let's see. I don't know what is the situation of the theaters. So hopefully we can release in September, and again people will enjoy, especially the music. They will love it.
Yes, अगर ये कोरोना की महामारी हो जाए समाप्त, and we all are determined to get on to normal with all the belief in life and God, we would want to see it as a blockbuster in theaters. So all the very best, sir, for Dhadke Dil Baar Baar. Hopefully look forward to its promotions and the movie itself. So this is us, sir, Biscuit Showtime in the segment Bolly Bite. It was great having you on the Quarantine May segment with Mr. Rajiv Walia.
And thank you so much, Anna. I really love Australia, and I want to do something in Australia very soon. It's my one of my favorite country and favorite place. So my love to all Australians, my fans, my friends, and people of Australia.
It's great connecting with you, sir, for our segment Quarantine May. Guys, you can follow Rajiv Walia, sir, on his Insta handle, which is called Rajiv Walia. Check it out in our video, RAAJWVWALIA, Rajiv Walia, and his YouTube channel. But thank you so much for joining us in the series called Quarantine May with Rajiv Walia. We really appreciate your time, and we wish you the best and the safest quarantine time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.